It's a small gesture, almost effortless, yet it conveys a powerful blend of elegance, femininity, and quiet confidence. Mules have a charm that other heels rarely match. They're open, inviting, and designed to be worn with ease, creating a visual and emotional experience that feels both luxurious and intimate. Part of the allure lies in the accessibility of the shoe itself. With no straps or buckles to secure, a pair of Mules becomes an extension of the foot rather than a rigid accessory. The way the heel slides in with a gentle glide creates a moment of anticipation, soft, slow, and deliberate. That tiny pause before the foot settles into the shoe is a visual story of intention. It feels like an invitation into a world of taste, style, and subtle seduction. Then there is the sound. The soft tap of a heel as the foot finds its position, the delicate lift as it slips out again. These small movements carry a rhythm that captures attention without ever trying. The motion adds personality to the wearer, expressive, playful, relaxed, or poised. A woman slipping out of her Mules under a table or while standing in conversation communicates a kind of natural ease that's incredibly alluring. It suggests comfort in her own presence, an effortless blend of casual and chic. Mules also highlight one of the most graceful areas of the body, the arch and outline of the foot. Because the back is open, every shift of the heel draws the eye. When a woman dips her feet in and out of the shoe, the movement shows the curve of her arch, the gentle lift of her toes, and the taper of her ankle. It's a silent showcase of elegance, made even more captivating because it's so unintentional, like a gesture caught in the moment. Psychologically, the slip-in, slip-out motion is powerful because it balances freedom and control. It's not rigid like boots, nor demanding like lace-up heels. Instead, Mules allow the wearer to choose how she interacts with them. She can slip into them with purpose, slide out of them in relaxation, or tease the edge of the shoe while deep in thought. This freedom gives Mules an intimacy that feels expressive and personal, almost like a language of its own. The sensuality of Mules goes beyond mere appearance. It's also about comfort meeting beauty. The ease of wearing them encourages natural, unforced movement. A woman can cross her legs, relax into a seat, or rise gracefully with just a subtle shift of her foot. That soft slide creates a moment of fluidity that enhances her presence, smooth, confident, and irresistibly feminine. At the end of the day, heels. The allure of slipping in and out of Mules high heels comes down to the harmony of movement, style, and emotion. It's about the quiet drama of a heel that doesn't need to shout to be noticed. It's the elegance of a gesture, the softness of a moment, and the silent confidence of a woman who knows the power of subtle charm.